Welcome back to the channel. Today we have some big news that moved the US stock market. Stock futures went up sharply after President Trump said, "Don't worry about China, it will all be fine." This comment came after a few days of tension about new tariffs. At first, markets were scared, but now things look differently. So today, let's talk about what this means for the market and which stocks could benefit the most. Earlier this week, Trump talked about putting new tariffs on Chinese goods. That news made investors nervous. Many people feared we were heading towards another trade war. As a result, the market dropped quickly. But then, Trump changed his tone. He said, "The US and China will be fine," and called it just a small issue. Right after that, US stock futures jumped. Investors saw this as a signal. Maybe the trade tensions are not as bad as they thought. When the US and China stop fighting about the trade, the market usually go up. Why? Because many American companies depend on China for customers, parts, or factories. When tariffs go up, costs rise and profits fall. But when the tensions come down, investors start buying again because risk feels lower. So Trump's softer message made people more confident. Let's talk about how this works. When investors feel less fear, they move their money from safe assets to stocks. That means less money in gold or bonds, and more in companies that grow fast. Also, people who sold during the panic start to buy back their shares, creating a rebound. This is called a short-term rally, and it often happens when political news improves. So, which stocks could go up from here? Semiconductor and tech stocks, companies like AMD, Nvidia, and Intel, make chips that depend on materials and production in Asia. Second, industrial and machinery stocks companies like Caterpillar. Fewer tariffs means they can sell more at a lower cost. Third, rare earth and mining companies. Earlier, China said it might limit rare earth exports. That scared investors. Now that Trump says it is fine, those fears are fading, so mining stocks might rebound. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more updates on US stock news.